In this video, I'll show you how to delete an agent in Base44 in just a few quick clicks. If this helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple software tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, open Base44 and look at the left navigation bar. At the top, click on Agents. This will take you to the section where all of your agents are managed. Once you're in the Agents area, click All Agents so you can see the full list of agents available in your workspace. This is where you'll find the specific agent you want to remove. Now, locate the agent you want to delete. On the far right side of that agent's row, click the three dots menu. This opens the options for that agent. From the menu, click Delete. Base44 will then show a confirmation prompt to make sure you really want to remove it. In the confirmation window, click Delete this agent. Once you do that, the agent will be permanently removed from your list. And that's it. You've successfully deleted an agent in Base44. If you found this tutorial useful, please like the video and subscribe for more quick Base44 guides and other software how-tos.